At this stage of development, the Tesla Optimus humanoid robot has reached a point where its overall design no longer carries any critical flaws. Elon Musk himself has confirmed that while Tesla plans to retool and refine certain aspects, the fundamental architecture is sound. That means Optimus is now past the experimental, uncertain stage that so many robotics projects never escape. According to Musk, the company will produce fresh prototypes of the third generation of Optimus before the end of this year, and is preparing to scale manufacturing in the following year. The ultimate goal? To ramp up production as quickly as humanly possible and reach an extraordinary milestone of 1 million units annually. This ambition is unfolding at a time when humanoid robots are no longer science fiction curiosities, but are beginning to appear in real-world settings. Just look at Boston Dynamics' Atlas running obstacle courses, or Figure AI's humanoid robot carefully loading clothes into a washing machine. The technology is advancing fast enough that many observers are starting to believe that the robot revolution is no longer decades away. It has already started. Tesla's entry into the field, however, is unlike the others. While most companies aim to wow the world with stunts, robots walking, jumping, or showing off acrobatics, Musk and Tesla are pushing in the opposite direction. Their focus is squarely on making robots that integrate into daily life, not just demonstrations. The Tesla Bot, also known as Optimus, is evolving into a machine that promises far more than just carrying objects or balancing on two legs. The newly announced Optimus version 3.5 is expected to handle over 3,000 unique tasks, thanks to a sophisticated combination of hardware and AI systems. Tesla claims this robot could save or even generate the equivalent of $50,000 annually for households or businesses. If the rollout goes as planned, version 3.5 will debut before the year is out, featuring a significantly upgraded design, an OLED display for interaction, and a fully redesigned hand boasting 22 degrees of freedom, allowing it to perform delicate work that was impossible in earlier generations. But here lies the big question. Can a humanoid robot truly deliver $50,000 worth of real-world value, or is it just another bold claim? Tesla argues that the first wave of use cases will target high-value scenarios, those where a robot could be life-changing. Think of someone who requires around-the-clock assistance due to paralysis, chronic illness, or severe mobility issues. In those situations, Optimus could serve as a 24-hour nurse, companion, or helper, essentially filling roles that would otherwise cost enormous amounts of money and labor. If successful, this could prove to be revolutionary. Of course, skepticism remains strong. Many people still do not trust humanoid robots. That distrust is rooted in years of broken promises from the robotics industry, where companies unveil flashy prototypes only for them to disappear into obscurity. The pattern is familiar. A slick demo video circulates online. The public gets excited, and then nothing follows. Often, these projects never make it beyond the lab stage. On top of that, robots that do make it into demonstrations often appear clumsy, wobbling like toddlers, moving slowly or falling over, leading to viral videos mocking them as drunk robots. This ridicule has reinforced the idea that humanoid machines are a gimmick rather than a tool. Tesla, however, has managed to change its narrative with Optimus. Unlike many others, Tesla's robot hasn't vanished or remained stuck in labs. Over the past 2 years, the bot has only become more refined and capable, proving that it isn't just another short-lived experiment. Each demonstration reveals new features, showing performing real, useful actions. This has gradually chipped away at skepticism and has set Optimus apart as perhaps the most serious humanoid robot effort to date. Imagine owning a robot that's not just a novelty, but an actual partner at home. This isn't simply about companionship. It's about productivity and convenience. Optimus could handle household chores, mow lawns, walk the family dog, or even act as a tutor or babysitter for children. It might carry groceries, serve drinks at gatherings, or assist with physical labor in small businesses. Its versatility means it isn't confined to one role. It's a general-purpose assistant. Even today, the bot can already manage an impressive range of tasks. In its demonstrations, Optimus has been shown picking up trash, placing items into bins, wiping down furniture, stirring pots, vacuuming floors, opening cabinets, and pulling curtains. In earlier updates, it folded laundry, watered plants, washed dishes, played games, and even carried out package inspections. It has poured drinks, danced, and interacted conversationally. What's remarkable is that Tesla accomplished this entire progression in less than 2 years of focused development. At the pace things are going, imagine where Optimus will be 2 years from now. If today it can vacuum and fold clothes, in the near future, it could confidently function alongside humans in a wide variety of roles. The robot isn't just imitating human movement. It's but a fundamental shift in how society thinks about productivity.